Mabuhay everyone, this is Miles and together with my team, welcome aboard in Brilliant Airlines, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Mactan, Cebu City, and command of the aircraft is Captain Chris Bautista, ably assisted by First Officer Johan Abella. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, leave top of buckle and pull three ends to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is on under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, sleeve vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that the authorized removal of the life vest inside the aircraft constitutes theft and punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you. Remove your face mask and put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug feet and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until